So guys, this is our face play. We're gonna tap the app. So this is finally opened and all the video is gonna be loading, and I'll tap the daily updates. I'm looking for the best video for this daily update. Okay, I finally found the video I can use, and this is over here. It's really nice, yeah. So you see this plus stuff over here. I'm gonna tap it, and these are my pictures, my gallery, and I'm looking for the best picture I need. I need a picture that your face is gonna appear very clearly, and this picture is okay, and I'm gonna use it. Yeah, it's already loading. Yeah, and I'll tap the start making and tap the free. Sorry about this. This is an advert from Play Store. Sorry about it. It's taking much time. I'm so sorry about it. Okay, now it's processing. So guys, the video is finally proceed already, and this is how my face looks. So you can see the save button over down below. I'm gonna tap the save button, yeah, and it's exporting. So guys, we're moving to TikTok right now. I tap my TikTok. This is not my making, this is another person making, because it's a trending stuff, so everyone is doing it. So guys, I tap the sound and I'm using this sound. You're gonna tap use sound here. So when I tap my upload and I take a little video of mine, I'm using this one, yeah, and I'll tap the video that is already exported, the face play video. So it's time for me to edit this by writing something on it. So I type my text. And I write I'm a Nigerian. And this is how I look in other nationalism. Yeah, and I'm going to tap the set direction by setting where you can end the clip of the text. Yeah, and this where is okay, and I end it over there. So guys, can see, so I'm gonna write something under the video. I'll just write FYP Nation, and for you, I guess that's okay. So I post it, and the video is uploading on my TikTok. The video has finally uploaded. You can see that I've done the video before, so this is the new one. Guys, so go follow me on TikTok. I'll post it on my description box. Hope this video is really helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.